guys, my name is Victoria Pavlov. I am the Photoshop artist. Welcome to my studio. Today we will create a very unique image in Adobe Photoshop CC using 3D objects I downloaded from pixelsquid.com. So guys, let's start. As you can see, I have opened Adobe Photoshop CC and also I have opened my image I took 2 years ago in Iceland. Today we will be using this image as our background layer. On the right side of my screen, you can see that I have opened PixelSquid plugin with all 3D objects are downloaded from pixelsquid.com, and I will click on the first 3D model I would like to work with today, just like that. And guys, I can rotate my 3D model directly from PixelSquid plugin, exactly like this, and voila. Using the move tool, I will resize my 3D model, I will make it bigger, and I will reposition it just like that, and I will click OK to accept all changes. Now I will specify that yes, I would like to see a shadow with my 3D object, but also I would like to have my 3D object in high resolution, so I will switch from low to high resolution, and I will rename my layer to the car, just like that. Now I will highlight my background layer and I will click on another 3D object I would like to work with today. I will click on this and voila. I don't know the name of this aircraft, I'm so sorry. And I will rotate my aircraft directly from a Pixel Squid plugin, just like that. Using same move tool, I will resize it, I will make it bigger, and I will reposition it directly above my car, just like that. Maybe I will make it bigger, just like that. Perfect, and I will click OK to accept all changes. Now guys, I will specify that I don't need shadows with this 3D object, but definitely I would like to have my 3D object in high resolution. So I will switch from low to high resolution. I will rename this layer to layer number 1. Guys, now we have some problem. We will fix it just in a second, but for now we have one problem. We have a very visual shadow under our car. We don't have any shadow identifying that we have aircraft somewhere in here. So what we will do? We will duplicate our aircraft layer. We will rename it to layer number 2, and using distort transform tool, we will distort this layer just like that. Guys, you can distort it in any way you like. Everything is up to you. And we will reposition this shadow directly under our car, and we will align it to our aircraft just like that. Perfect. In our layers panel, we will switch blend mode for our shadow from normal to multiply, and we will bring down opacity of this layer. Perfect. Also, filter, blur, and we will apply motion blur, just like that. We will increase distance of our blur effect to 86, and we will click OK. Now guys, we have kind of yellow shadow. It doesn't work in that way. We will convert the shadow to the black. What we will do? We will click on adjustment. We will click on levels, and in the properties panel we will click on add a clipping mask. Right now we will add our adjustment only to the layer below our adjustment, and we will move white slider all the way to the left, just like that. Beautiful. Now guys, I will hide my background layer, and I will merge all visible layers just like that, and I will bring back visibility of my background layer. I will duplicate this background layer just to show to you before and after, guys, and go to filter, blur gallery, pass blur. Guys, now I would like to apply movement effect to our image. We will blur only our background, but I would like to change direction of our blur. What I will do? I will click and hold Shift key, and I will not will add, I'm sorry. I will click and hold a shift key, and I will rotate this arrow just like that. And now I will click and hold command key, and I will bring it down just like that. Guys, you can increase speed of your blur, or you can decrease speed of your blur. Everything is up to you. I will bring speed of my blur to about, let's see, about mm, let's see, about 7%, just like that. And I will click OK. Let me show to you before and after. This is before and this is after. I will delete our background layer we don't need anymore, and I will merge all visible layers together. Now guys, we will go to filter, camera raw filter, and now you can do anything you like. What I will do, guys, I will click on profiles. I will click on black and white profiles, and here we have many wonderful profiles we can choose from. Guys, just click on any profile you like. Look at this, guys. Different profile will applies different effect, different mood to your image. So guys, it's up to you. Black and white yellow filter, I kind of like it, but I like also blue filter. I will click on black and white blue filter, and also guys, you can increase or decrease amount of your filter, decrease or increase. Again guys, everything is up to you. I kind of like um, a huge amount applied to my image, but in that case we are losing details of our aircraft. See guys, I noticed it in the right moment. I will switch a black and white filter to something more bright. Let's see. Yes, I will switch to black and white 08, just like that. Let's play with amount of our blur, and I will move amount slider slightly to the left, about 58, and I will click close. Now I can adjust my image. So guys, you can adjust your image in any way you want. I will bring down exposure, not too much guys. I will increase contrast. Guys, look at this. Um, let's play with highlights. Oh yeah, I will bring down highlights just like that. And in this case, I will increase exposure just slightly guys, slightly. And voila, I will click OK. Guys, believe or not, we are done. We are created a very unique image in Adobe Photoshop CC. Using my image I took 2 years ago in Iceland. We use this image as our background image, and we use 3D objects I downloaded from pixelsquid.com. So guys, thank you very much for being with me. Super appreciated your time. And if you like my tutorial, please like, subscribe, and share it. And I will see you later. Thank you so much, guys. Bye. Bye.